Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. You are in the workshop, mid-assembly, trying to match a bolt to a threaded hole. You grab one that looks about right, twist it in, and something feels off. You force it a bit, thinking it'll catch. But instead, you strip the threads. Now you've got a damaged part, wasted time, and maybe even a scrapped project. Sound familiar? This is one of the most common and frustrating mistakes in mechanical work. And more often than not, it comes down to a simple oversight, not knowing the exact thread pitch of the bolt or hole you're working with. That's where the thread pitch gauge comes in. It's a compact, simple, and incredibly handy tool that solves this problem with precision. So what is it? A thread pitch gauge is a tool that helps you identify the exact spacing between threads on a screw, bolt, or tapped hole. Think of it like a ruler. But instead of measuring length, it measures the angle and spacing of threads. Each blade or leaf on the gauge corresponds to a specific pitch, and you simply match it to your thread until you find the perfect fit. No guesswork, no assumptions. Why is it effective? Because thread pitch isn't just about size, it's about compatibility. Using the wrong pitch can damage threads, cause parts to loosen over time, or lead to complete failure in high-stress applications. A good thread pitch gauge covers both metric and imperial sizes, works on internal and external threads, and fits easily in your pocket or toolbox. Whether you're working in manufacturing, automotive repair, machining, or even 3D printing, it helps you save time, avoid costly mistakes, and ensure a perfect fit every time. It's one of those simple tools that makes a big difference in accuracy, efficiency, and even safety, especially when compared to eyeballing or trial-and-error methods. Hey friends, if this video helped make things clearer, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us grow this learning community and bring you more useful content on industrial tools and techniques. And if you like this straightforward explanation, be sure to check out our earlier video on the radius gauge, where we covered its purpose, common applications, and practical tips for accurately checking curved profiles. It's the same no-fuss, hands-on style that makes learning easier and more relevant to your daily work.